Today we're going to install a dryer vent. So why is having a dryer vent so important? Because it removes moist air from the house that may mix with hazardous gases such as carbon monoxide, a byproduct of combustion. Now, it's important to follow these instructions carefully and use the right materials. Vent pipe is normally made of 4-inch diameter rigid sheet metal. Flexible vinyl cannot be used because it doesn't support its weight, and lint that collects in low spots presents a fire hazard. Seal joints with foil duct tape. Never use sheet metal screws. They will catch lint. Ready to go? Let's do this. Step 1. Cut the vent hood opening. The vent hood will need to be positioned so its backside is accessible from inside. Measure the location from the interior of your home and see where it will sit in its outside location. Drill a pilot hole and check outside to make sure the hole is in the right place. Plug and re-drill if necessary. You'll use a 4 1/4-inch hole saw to cut the hood opening. Hole saws should be used slowly and with even pressure, making sure you stop every once in a while to clean off the saw blade. It's also important to note that when using a hole saw, you should never just drill straight through your object. Drill just far enough that the pilot bit on the hole saw pops through. This will avoid what is known as blowout. Then, go to the other side of your object or wall and, using the pilot hole as a guide, drill from the opposite side back in. If you only drill one side, it will look neat on that side, but the inside will be uneven and it will rip the material out. This is what we mean by blowout. Step 2. Install the dryer vent hood. Insert the duct pipe through the 4 1/4-inch hole. Attach the hood to the siding outside with wood screws. It's very important to caulk around the edges of the hood to seal against the elements. Step 3. Connect to the hood duct. The location may require an elbow to the hood duct. You may have 1 or 2 elbows back to back to the run. Attach the duct links to the elbow. Step 4. Secure the duct. Attach hanger straps to support the duct. Apply foil tape around the joints to seal them. Use a carpenter's level and set horizontal sections with a fall of 1/4 inch per foot. This prevents moisture from collecting. Step 5. Install the duct into the dryer vent outlet. Insert an elbow over the dryer outlet. Connect the duct pipe to this elbow. Slide the dryer back into place, level using a carpenter's level. Adjust the legs and lock into place by tightening the lock nut against the dryer. Now that you're all finished, you can breathe easy knowing that you're safe from potential hazards. Before you install your own dryer vent, make sure you have all the items you need. For tools, you'll need a power drill, 6-inch wood masonry drill bit, hole saw, tape measure, screwdriver, caulking gun, and level. If you don't have a power drill, they're available for rent at the Home Depot Tool Rental Center. For materials, you'll need a dryer vent, silicone-based caulk, wood screws, hanger straps, vent elbows, and foil tape.